Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Ratul Khan here once again. I can read English well but speaking is bad. Why is this? How can I change this? These another extremely common questions. It's a very common situation. In fact, most English learners read English much better than they understand spoken English. What's the reason for this? School is the traditional old way of learning. So most English classrooms you learn mostly with your eyes. The teacher writes English sentences on the board, then write down notebook. You're reading a textbook all the time. When your teacher spoke English, maybe he spoke in your language. Let for example, a Bangladeshi teacher might explain English, but they would speak Bengali and then explain English grammar using Bengali. So problem is that in a normal English class you are actually not listening too much English. The secret to speaking English well is to develop great listening. You have to learn with your ears. You have to learn with your ears. Right now, as you are trying to improve your speaking, you have got to focus on a lot on listening. You need to be English listening at least 1 hour per day. That's my recommendation. You listen to English audio at least 1 hour every day. Thanks for watching this video. Good luck to you.